Have you ever pondered the possibility of traveling through time? It's a question that has captivated mankind for centuries, sparking endless debates, theories, and even shaping our stories. Welcome to the enigma of time travel, a concept as intriguing as it is elusive. Our fascination with time travel isn't a recent phenomenon. It stretches back through the annals of history, finding its roots in ancient myths and legends. The Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, speaks of King Raivata Kakudmi who travelled to meet the creator Brahma, only to return to Earth ages later. In Japanese folklore, the tale of Urashima Taro tells of a fisherman who spends what seems to be a few days in a fantastical underwater palace, but returns to his village to find himself 300 years in the future. Fast forward a few centuries, and the concept of time travel remains a captivating idea. It's become a cornerstone of modern science fiction, shaping our perception of the future and the past. From H.G. Wells's The Time Machine to the Back to the Future trilogy, we've imagined and reimagined the possibilities of moving through the fabric of time. But what about the theories and philosophies that surround time travel? Well, the earliest theories date back to the works of ancient philosophers like Heraclitus and Parmenides, who had differing views on the nature of time. Heraclitus believed in the constant flow and change of time, while Parmenides argued that time is an illusion, that all of existence is timeless and unchanging. As we moved into the Age of Enlightenment, these philosophical debates paved the way for scientific exploration. Newton and Leibniz, for instance, had profound ideas about time and space that have influenced our understanding of the universe and, by extension, time travel. The concept of time travel, while fascinating, has always been shrouded in mystery and uncertainty. And as we delve deeper into this enigma in the upcoming scenes, we'll try to unravel some of these mysteries, examining the science and cultural influences of time travel and what the future may hold for this captivating concept. Diving into the realm of science, time travel is no longer just the stuff of fiction. It's a concept that has been explored and pondered over by some of the greatest minds in history. The foundation stone of this enigmatic idea was laid down by none other than Albert Einstein, through his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Einstein proposed that space and time are woven together into a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. Imagine it as a trampoline, and the objects with mass, like planets and stars, as bowling balls placed on it. The balls cause the trampoline to curve, and that curve is what we perceive as gravity. Now, if this fabric is malleable, could it be twisted and bent to create a loop, a shortcut between 2 points in time? This is where the concept of time dilation comes into play. Time dilation is a difference in the elapsed time as measured by two observers due to a relative velocity between them or to a difference in gravitational potential between their locations. Simply put, time moves slower as you approach the speed of light. So, theoretically, a journey into the future is possible. However, a trip back in time is more complicated. This is where the concept of wormholes comes into the picture. A wormhole is a hypothetical structure linking disparate points in space-time, a kind of cosmic shortcut. But creating a stable wormhole and passing through it without being crushed by gravity is still beyond our current scientific capabilities. Quantum physics adds another layer of complexity to the mix. The quantum world, where particles can exist in multiple places at once, suggests that there could be parallel universes, a multiverse. Could time travel involve hopping between these parallel realities? The science of time travel is a labyrinth of complex theories and unanswered questions. It's a tantalizing mystery that continues to captivate scientists and dreamers alike. While science has given us theories, the practical application of time travel remains elusive. From the pages of books to the silver screen, time travel has captured our imagination like nothing else. It's a concept that's permeated our culture, serving as a plot device in countless novels, movies, and television shows. It's become so ingrained in our collective consciousness that it's difficult to imagine a world without the idea of time travel. Let's take a stroll through the annals of popular culture, starting with literature. One of the earliest and most influential depictions of time travel comes to us from the late 19th century. H.G. Wells's novel The Time Machine introduced readers to the idea of a device that could transport its user through time. The protagonist's experiences in the distant future serve as a commentary on contemporary social and political issues, illustrating the potential of time travel as a narrative tool for social critique. On the silver screen, time travel has found a home in a variety of genres, from action-adventure to romantic comedy. Classics like Back to the Future and The Terminator utilize time travel to create high-stakes conflict and suspense. On the other hand, films like About Time use it as a device for exploring personal growth and the nature of love and regret. Turning our gaze to the small screen, series like Doctor Who and Quantum Leap have used time travel to explore various historical periods and potential futures. The temporal flexibility allows for an ever-changing landscape of characters and situations, keeping audiences engaged over the long term. These stories have not only entertained us, but have also shaped our understanding and expectations of time travel. They've introduced us to a variety of time travel mechanisms, from machines and vehicles to magical spells and superhuman abilities. They've presented us with a multitude of potential futures, some utopian, others dystopian. They've explored the ethical implications of changing the past and the potential consequences of meddling with the future. These stories, while entertaining, also raise important questions about the implications and ethics of time travel. And as we continue to grapple with these questions, time travel remains a fascinating and enduring element of our popular culture. As we gaze into the future, what could time travel hold for us? Let's dive into the latest theories and research. Time travel, as we know it, is currently a concept limited to the realms of science fiction. Yet, the wheels of science never stop turning. Theoretical physicists are constantly probing the boundaries of our understanding, teasing out the possibilities that our universe might hold. Time travel isn't just about building a machine, hopping in and zipping back to the days of dinosaurs or forward to a world of flying cars. It's a complex dance of space and time, a ballet choreographed by the laws of physics. According to Einstein's general relativity, time is not a constant stream. It bends and warps in the presence of massive objects. This leads us to the concept of wormholes, shortcuts through space-time that just might, allow for time travel. But there are challenges, oh yes. Creating a wormhole, for example, would require something called exotic matter with negative energy, a theoretical substance that is yet to be discovered. And even if we overcome this hurdle, there's the issue of stability. Current theories suggest that a wormhole would collapse in on itself almost instantly. Yet we must not lose hope. Every day, we make new discoveries, push boundaries, and find potential solutions to problems that once seemed insurmountable. Today's impossibilities could be tomorrow's breakthroughs. Just think about it. A few centuries ago, the idea of humans flying was laughable. And look at us now. But as we contemplate the future of time travel, we also stumble upon profound ethical and philosophical questions. If we could travel back in time, should we interfere with the past? Could we create a paradox that might unravel the very fabric of our universe? If we could visit the future, what would that mean for free will and destiny? The future of time travel is as uncertain as it is exciting. The theories, the possibilities, the mysteries, they all beckon us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep dreaming. After all, who knows what the future holds? As we journey back to the present, let's reflect on what we've learned about time travel. We embarked on an intriguing exploration, delving into the enigma of time travel. A concept that has fascinated humans for centuries, time travel has been a tantalizing idea, a mysterious labyrinth of possibilities that has kept us questioning our perception of time and reality. From ancient myths and legends to modern science fiction tales, the allure of moving through time has never ceased to captivate us. Our journey then ventured into the realm of science, where we explored the theories that surround time travel. We discovered the mind-bending propositions of Einstein's theory of relativity and delved into the world of quantum mechanics. These scientific theories, although complex, provide us with a glimmer of possibility. They suggest that time travel might not be just a figment of our imagination, but a scientific reality waiting to be explored. From the realm of science, we move to the world of popular culture. We saw how time travel has permeated our movies, books, and TV shows. From Doctor Who to Back to the Future, these stories have not only entertained us, but have also shaped our understanding and expectations of time travel. They've allowed us to imagine what it would be like to leap through time, to change our past or to glimpse our future. And finally, we looked to the future. A future where time travel could be more than just a concept, but a reality. Will we one day be able to journey through time as easily as we travel through space? The answer remains uncertain, but one thing is for sure. Our quest for understanding will continue, and our fascination with time travel will endure. Whether time travel remains a mystery or becomes a reality, it will continue to captivate our imaginations and inspire us to keep exploring the boundaries of what's possible.